Ron. Nag-order siya double laylam rice with noodle plus egg. How about you, Jander? What did you eat? What did you eat, Jander? Peter, what did you eat?
Tastes good. Big.
Sure.
Di ba naka-itlog?
Ayaw, okay pa man yun. Naku kaya nilam guys. Mangangin guys. Guys, mangangin.
Ilawan yun natin kauban yung alam. Nagasalo ba?